G'day, I'm Dowden and this is the Farm Learning Channel. We want to talk today about the design of these yards here, and I did a lot of research before we built these yards. They're made out of drill rods predominantly. The uprights are about 110mm drill rods, the rails are 50mm drill rods. The top rail is a 75mm drill rod. Being in the pastoral areas, a lot of mining, a lot of exploration, a lot of access to steel, which is really good. But the thing I want to talk about mainly is the conveyor on the bottom. And the reason we put the conveyor on the bottom, when you're bringing cattle into the yard, if it's an open fence, quite often they won't stand right back close to the fence, so it's very hard to fill your yard up. With the conveyor on the bottom, it makes them feel much more comfortable to actually stand closer to the fence. And if you're trying to put 150 or 200 cattle into this yard, you'll find it so much easier because they will fill the yard up by standing closer to the fence. And it also allows the cattle to move a lot freer through your yards. It's not a design that everyone's happy with, but this is what we did, and we think it works really well. And this is a Bruce Maynard coat hanger. Now, you can see it's designed to be portable, so there's a bit of pipe just shoved down inside there, and we can shift it to any one of these poles on the yards that has an open top, so you can change it round. It's just something for the replacement heifers that we spend a fair bit of time in the yards with to quieten them down. Something to play with. This, when the wind blows, rings the bell. Something, a bit of poly, the cows play with that. Sometimes there's a CD or a plastic bag hanging off this, which is just getting them desensitised and a bit quieter. And in the work that we do with our replacement heifers, this kind of stuff is so important to get them as quiet as possible for handling. And yeah, it's a brilliant method. We spend a lot of time with Bruce, and we've copied a hell of a lot of stuff that he does. Like and subscribe for more.